back at Toyota Sports Center. Let's go, baby. We're playing at Gold Division here in El Segundo, California with the Whalers. If you guys, anybody who's new to the channel, I play at Pickwick for the Tropics, but I sub in for the Whalers here in El Segundo. Shout out to Wilsey, my defenseman, the guy who sends me the invites out to these games in this league. I'll put up a really quick clip of him. He's a beauty. He comes up big most of the time. I'd say about like 85% of the time he comes up big. The other percentages is like either him not getting the back door or him scoring on me accidentally. Sorry, Wilsey. I had to throw that in there. Oh my God. I played 2 weeks ago. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. I took 3 months off back for the playoffs. We lost in overtime. They scored to tie it with like 55 seconds left in the third period. It was a really good game, fun game. I felt good on the ice. This league's better in my opinion. It's a faster paced game. I didn't play last week. We obviously got knocked out in the playoffs. They had the championship game last week. KMD won. I think the score was 10-5. They're the team that we usually play in the championship game. There's a lot of our, most of my videos of the championship game is against KMD. They ended up winning. Yeah, I like to make some highlight reel saves, add some to the book. That'll be nice. I don't know if I have anything else for you guys. Yeah, shout out to everyone for the support, the likes, the views, the subscriptions. All you guys are beauties. I really appreciate you guys. If there's anything cool that comes up hockey related, I'm gonna try and toss into the vlogs, the daily vlogs. If you guys want to see, if you guys are interested in anything, just let me know. Drop a comment down below. Make sure you smash that like button. Boom. It'll be in this corner, boom, or that corner, boom, wherever it's at. Just smash it. And yeah, I'm going to try and not get hit in the throat or collarbone. I'm going to play the best that I can. I know the lighting's like really bad in here. Also, I cut my hair like 3 inches, so it's a lot shorter. I don't know if anybody can really see. It's so damn dark in here. Maybe you'll be able to notice on the ice. I don't know. Yeah. I have a good and bad feeling about this game. It can go either way. But I think it's all going to determine what the first 5-10 minutes look like for me. So anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys out on the ice. So stiff. That sounded wrong. It's 3-1. 2 minutes and 40 seconds left in the first period. Seriously, what the f? scored 8-2, 9 minutes and 20 seconds in the third period.